So Google just came out and said the quote unquote secret sauce to SEO isn't really a thing. So I want to dive into exactly what it is that I am talking about and also give you some of the top SEO tips to improve your website traffic and business. Let's dive in. So what am I talking about? Headings, H1s, H2s, and beyond. They're everywhere in SEO advice. But if you've been obsessing over them to rank higher on Google, you may be in for a surprise. Recently, Google came out and stated something that might shake up how you think about on-page SEO. Fixing your heading tags won't magically improve your rankings. Yep, they said it, and it's something that kind of a lot of SEO experts are kind of second guessing. But it came right from the horse's mouth. So what's the real deal? Well, what we should focus on instead, and in today's video, I'm going to explore how headings actually play into SEO, what they actually said about it specifically, and debunk some myths and guide you on what actually impacts search engine success. So let's start by addressing the elephant in the room, headings. You've probably been told that well-structured H1 to H6 hierarchy is crucial for SEO. But what is the actual impact of these headings? Does it even matter? Google's John Mueller recently clarified that heading tags alone won't bump up your rankings. Think of headings like a table of contents for readers, not a cheat code for search engines. They help users navigate your content easily, but search engines have become sophisticated enough that they no longer rely on them as ranking signals, which is something that we've thought was the case for a long time, that they did rely on. So here's an analogy of this. Imagine heading tags as street signs in a city. Sure, they help people find their way, but they don't determine how popular a destination is. What really matters is the value and experience once you get there. So if headings aren't the golden ticket in SEO success, what should you actually focus on? Well, Google's algorithm cares more about content relevance, structure, and user experience. It's not just about the right keywords in your headings. It's about whether your content addresses the searcher's intent. Think about it like preparing a meal. It's not the fancy plate headings that make people come back. It's the taste and quality of the food, which would be your content. So let's say you're writing a blog post. Maybe it's the best skincare routines for dry skin. You could have perfect headings like step 1, cleanse, step 2, moisturize. But if your content doesn't provide value, like explaining why certain ingredients work best for dry skin, users are going to leave. They're going to bounce. It's going to hurt your bounce rate. So Google notices that bounce and your rankings can drop. The message is clear. Give users what they want with valuable content. So with all of that being said, let's talk about what on-page SEO elements you should prioritize to really move the needle. Since headings, they are important, but it's not really going to make that big of a difference and help you rank higher anymore, at least. So I want to give you the top tips to improve your SEO rank. So first, content quality. So you've heard it before, I'm sure time and time again, but it bears repeating. Google cares about content that satisfies users' queries. So if you're providing comprehensive, well-researched, and engaging content, it's going to matter. And if you're not, people are going to bounce, and it's going to hurt your ranking. It's going to kill your ranking. So make sure the content quality is key. Number 2, internal linking. Google loves when pages are connected. It's like showing a search engine roadmap on your website. Linking related content not only improves SEO, but keeps people engaged and gives them more value. So if you write a blog post about skincare routines, linking to your detailed guide on the best moisturizers help both Google and your readers understand that you have a wealth of content on that subject. Number 3 is user experience. So this includes page speed, mobile friendliness, and overall ease of navigation. Google uses metrics like Core Web Vitals to measure this. If users can't easily scroll through your page, it takes forever to load, they'll leave, and that's a red flag for search engines, going to hurt your rank. Number 4 is alt text and images. While headings might not be the magic bullet, alt text for images still holds a lot of weight. It's a way for search engines to understand your visual content, and it's crucial for accessibility for blind people. That's what it's the practical use of it. So treat your alt text like mini descriptions that will boost your SEO. So these alt text is basically the text of your pictures. You can see it in your website builder, or building a website, you can add alt text to your pictures. SEO is always evolving. Back in the day, keywords stuffed in the headings could give you a boost, but search engines have grown up. Machine learning and AI, like Google's Rank Brain, as are far more focused on content comprehension than how it's presented in tags. So Google now prioritizes user satisfaction above everything else. If users stay on your page, engage with your content, and find answers they need, you're doing SEO right. The reality is that on-page SEO is more about the full package: content, speed, user experience, and relevance. All right, so here's what I said at the beginning. Let's wrap this up with some actionable steps to really take your SEO to the next level so you can rank higher, get more traffic, get more sales, get more bookings, all the things that you want, and all the things that really matter from setting up a website. So number one, focus on content quality first. Make sure your writing is clear, addresses user intent, and solves a problem. You can use tools such as Journalist AI, one of my favorite AI tools, to produce super high quality, fully SEO optimized, targeted blog articles. And this is going to make your life a lot easier. It's going to be a lot faster. And there's a free trial plus 10% off coupon below to try it out. But this is a great way to produce high quality content quickly. Number two, don't ignore headings, but don't obsess. So use them to create good reading experience, but don't expect them to be the silver bullet and get you ranked above everything else. Headings are still something that you want to do, but not something that you want to keep tweaking and changing. It's really not going to matter that much. Number three, enhance your user experience. So work on mobile optimization, fast page loads, and smooth navigation. Number four, use internal links smartly. Keep users on your page, on your site longer by guiding them to other useful content. Again, if you have a tool like Journalist AI, you can put internal links, external links in your articles to make the user experience that much better. Number five, upgrade old content. So fresh content that reflects new information keeps users and Google happy. And you can easily do this again with a tool like Journalist AI. You can have it rewrite old blog articles, rewrite new blog articles. But either way, refreshing that old stuff is going to help you with rank. Google likes to see fresh influx of new content all the time. So at the end of the day, headings may not be the SEO powerhouse we once thought they were, but understanding their true role is key to optimizing your site. The real secret to success is a user-friendly approach. And if you keep your audience engaged, provide real value, and focus on the bigger picture of on-page SEO, your site will thrive in search rankings. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Hopefully those tips you can implement immediately to improve your rank and boost your site's traffic, sales, and all that good stuff.